What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing some simple Carne Asada Fajitas. Oh man, it's going to be so quick and simple to do, guys, because if I can, so can you. Now, this particular recipe has been inspired by a very good loyal subscriber of mine. His name is King Noli, so I salute you, Mr. Noli, and this video is just for you. So without further ado, let's get started right now. Alright, guys, today's wood flavor is going to be hickory because it's strong and smoky. So man, this is going to be some good smoky flavor for our fajitas. So let's turn the power on. It's really 95, 97 degrees, but like, or back to 97, but like I said earlier in the video, it is low humidity. So we're going to open our lid and wait for that rolling smoke. Alright, guys, as you can see, there's our rolling smoke. So let's close our lid and we're going to crank these temperatures on high because we're looking for a good sear on our carne asada, which is that skirt steak. So we're gonna wait for this to come up to temp for a good 10 to 15 minutes. Wow, that smoke flavor. Oh man, you see that smoke coming off that smokestack, guys? Wow, it smells so good right now, guys. I say this in every single video, but I wish you were here to smell this beautiful aroma, that hickory, that boldness, that pronounced strong flavor. Man, that's my favorite go-to, wood flavor for pretty much anything, especially for beef. Some guys like mesquite, I like hickory. That's just me. And speaking of guys, I think all men should smell like what? Barbecue. I'm telling you guys, rub a little bit of that hickory on you, you're gonna attract so many females. So let's talk about a quick step-by-step process of what we did so far. We took our beautiful skirt steak that you saw in the video clip. We went straight to the sink, rinsed off any excess debris that might have been on it in itself and the packaging, and then we did a light trim on it. All we did was took off that excess skin and then also the membrane that was on there. Excuse me, not the membrane, the silver skin. And then all we did, place it inside a container, add some Goya Morehold sauce, and let it marinate for a good 15 minutes. What we did next is we're going to take the Pitbull Chop House seasoning and just sprinkle it just lightly on the top just to give it an extra bold flavor. We're going to sear these bad boys, those skirt steaks right here. And what we're going to do to cook the vegetables with, guys, bam, this little gadget right here cost me 10 bucks. I got this from BJ's, which is like a Costco version of wholesale goods, and I got this for 10 bucks. And this is going to be the first time I'm going to use this. It says it's good to use on vegetables and other things, so we're going to see if this bad boy come up and it stands on his own to see what the hype is all about. So man, it's going to be a quick simple video, guys.
Torres on the beat, boys.
Alright, guys, as you can see, I got plenty of smoke oozing out of the smokestack, as you can see right here. And I've been getting a lot of questions about the smoke cabinet, and the questions are as simple, and it's almost like once a week: do I get enough smoke in my smoke cabinet? And the answer is yes. As you can see, I want to close these doors because I don't want to lose that smoke, and I'm getting smoke flavor all around. I know I got it on high, but even when I have it on like 250, 300, I still kept plenty of smoke in here. So we're looking about $4.99, and man, she is nice and hot up there. We were just at 500, so I guess because I opened the smoke and it dropped just like 1 degree. So, oh yeah, This is nice and hot, guys. Oh man. All right, guys. What I'm gonna do is oil the grits down with a little bit of avocado oil. Normally I use canola oil, but I'm gonna use avocado oil today because it has a high burning temperature. Alright guys, now that we got our grits nice and oiled up with the avocado oil, it's time for me to open the sear zone so we can sear our carne asada or our skirt steak. So I'm gonna open the sear zone from this lever right here. And bam! Look at that. Alright guys, it's been a minute and a half. So take a look at that. That's what I'm after. Look at that, guys. Ooh, baby. Put this back over on the other side. Look at that. Look at this one. Oh yeah. And as you can see, they're shrinking really fast. So another minute and a half on this side, and they're gonna be done. All right, guys. So time to cook our vegetables. And again, I'm going to use this bad boy right here, and I'm just placing it right in the middle. And I'm going to oil that with avocado oil as well. So let's see it. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Fajita vegetables, those peppers, those onions, oh man, infused with that Pitbull's Java Chop House. Take a look at that, guys. Nice and medium rare. That's what I'm talking about. Bam. So I'm going to continue cutting these guys, and we'll plate up right after this. All right, guys, so it's time to plate up our beautiful fajitas. So as you can see, I got my carne asada right here. It's skirt steak. As you can see, they're still medium rare, a little bit above medium rare to be exact. But I'm going to use the fajitas on with the wheat tortillas to make my fajitas. So I'm going to take one of these bad boys out of here and just lay it flat. I'm going to take some light sour cream, as you can see, without spilling it, and just do a little dab like this. You can do it any way you want, guys. There's no right or wrong way. I'm going to take some of these beautiful vegetables that we grilled on our Pitbull's Lockhart and just fill it up lightly like so. And then we're going to take some beautiful skirt steaks or carne asada. Oh man, it's starting to look good right now, guys. And a little bit of Mexican style cheese. Just sprinkle a little bit over here. And that's good. I'm gonna take a little bit of avocado that I didn't dice up correctly, but it's gonna have to do. And I'm gonna take the juice of a lime, roll it, and then just lightly sprinkle a little bit of that. And here's my cheat, guys. Bam, salsa. So I'm gonna take store-bought salsa and just dab it just a little bit, just like that. Look at that. And man, this is looking so good, guys. All right, wrap this up. All right. There it is. So let's do the taste test right after this. So it's time for the best part of the entire video, which is what? The taste testing. Oh man. But as I always say, let's do a quick recap of what we have done so far to make this beautiful fajitas with carne asada or skirt steak, however you want to say it, however you want to pronounce it. So we basically took our skirt steak straight to the sink, rinse off any excess debris that might have been in the package itself. All we did next is did a light trim, removed the silver skin, and then we seasoned up with some Goya mojo sauce. Oh man, that was some beautiful. That was one of my first cheat. Secondly, we let it marinate for 15 minutes because the skirt steak was very thin. I didn't want that mojo sauce to cook the skirt steak, so we marinated for only 15 minutes. We turned our Pitbull's on the Pitbull's Platinum Lockhart on high and to grill these bad boys. Before we grilled them, we actually took them all, patted dry, and then we added some beautiful Java Chop House from Pitbull's just to give it that extra oomph of that kick of that beautiful season that, oh man, I'm dying to taste right now. And guys, we grilled the vegetables in, as you could saw, and the perfect medium consistency that we did with the skirt steak was just a minute and a half on each side. That is all it took. So as you can see, I did a little bit more than what I wanted because they were so thin. but usually about a minute if or so would have been perfect, more real for me. But that's just me. You can cook all the way done if you like. That's just up to you. So, man, King Noli, this is for you, brother. We've played it up, as you can see in my previous video clip, with a little bit of cheat. My second cheat was the salsa from Storyboard brand. I didn't have enough time to do a video on that, on how to do my own salsa, which I will in one day in a future video. But this was a simple, quick, and easy recipe for you guys to do. And you know what? Enough talking. Let's get to eating right now. So, man, as you saw, guys, take a look at that. Oh, baby. This is what I'm talking about. So, let's take a bite. Wow. Oh man. Look, still reading rare. This is how I like it. Wow. Wow. That flavor, that mojo, that pit balls, java chop balls. Wow. It's really shining through. Ooh. Man, all these flavors combined together. I mean, like I stated just now, those are phenomenal flavors all mixed in together. Oh man. Quick, simple thing to do, guys. Wow. So, guys, if you like grilling and barbecue, this is your channel right here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. And until next week, guys, once again, big shout out to my man, King Noli, for requesting this video. I salute you once again, my dude. So, see you next week. This is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.
Purchase your tracks today.
Issa Torres on the beat.